Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Bambu A1 Mini showing offline in Bambu Studio. Reconnect printer to network. Fix 1. Check the printer's Wi-Fi connection. On the printer, open settings. From there, go to WLAN/network and make sure the printer is connected to your Wi-Fi network. If it is disconnected, reconnect it to the correct network. Fix 2. Verify your computer is on the same network. Ensure your computer and the A1 Mini are connected to the same local network. Avoid using a guest Wi-Fi network or VPN while connecting to the printer. Fix 3. Restart the printer and Bambu Studio. Turn off the printer, then wait for about 30 seconds and then turn it back on. Now close and reopen Bambu Studio, then check whether the printer comes online. Fix 4. Allow Bambu Studio through your firewall. If using Windows or Mac OS firewall software, ensure Bambu Studio is allowed to access the network. Restart Bambu Studio after making any firewall changes. Fix 5. Reconnect the printer. Remove any printer from Bambu Studio if necessary. Then add it again by signing into your Bambu account or reconnecting in LAN mode, depending on your setup. Fix 6. Check LAN mode if you use it. If you print over LAN, verify that LAN mode is enabled and configured correctly in settings, then WLAN/network. Now make sure the printer's LAN access code is valid if required. Fix 7. Reconnect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. If your router combines 2.4 and 5 GHz networks, forget the Wi-Fi connection on the printer and reconnect using a compatible 2.4 GHz network if available. This has resolved offline issues for many A1 Mini users. Fix 8. Contact Bambu Lab support. If the printer still shows offline after completing the previous steps, contact Bambu Lab support with your printer logs, firmware version, and network details for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.